Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use robust weight transfer. Robust weight transfer refers to the dynamic redistribution of a vehicle's mass under various forces. This phenomenon is absolutely critical for maintaining optimal tire contact with the road surface, directly impacting grip and stability. Understanding how weight shifts during acceleration, braking, and cornering is the foundational step to mastering vehicle control and performance. Let's delve into the two primary types of weight transfer. Longitudinal transfer involves the vehicle's mass shifting forward under braking and backward during acceleration. Lateral transfer, on the other hand, is the side-to-side movement of weight when cornering. For instance, a vehicle turning left will experience weight shifting to the right. These shifts are profoundly influenced by suspension design and setup. To achieve robust weight transfer, precise vehicle setup is key. Adjusting your suspensions, springs, and dampers allows you to manage how quickly and how much weight shifts. For example, stiffer springs can reduce body roll. Tire choice and pressure are also critical, as they are the direct interface with the road. Aim for a balanced setup that performs well across a range of driving scenarios. Mastering robust weight transfer offers significant benefits. You'll experience dramatically improved vehicle handling, allowing for more precise control through corners and during braking. This translates to greater driver confidence and a more enjoyable driving experience. Remember, achieving optimal weight transfer is an ongoing process of adjustment and practice. Small, incremental changes can yield substantial improvements over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.